Hi guys, welcome back. I'm trying to talk as loud as I can because someone's asleep. That and my throat hurts. I would. It's better. It's better now. It doesn't hurt that bad, but it still hurts. So I'm trying to talk. I might stop a couple times to get a drink. But anyways, I'm sorry I haven't made a video lately. I've just been busy doing some other things. I'm gonna try making a Ruby video later of the second chapter. I don't think I'm gonna make a Sims video. I think I'll just make Ruby and this. I might make a Whisper video. I don't know. But anyways, that's what I'm gonna say. Anyways, what's up with this person is basically I can't kill any faster. Oh my god. I have to have. Nope. I swear his cat form at level 6, but oh well. Let me just spam this. But anyway, the reason with this new character is because my friend kept requesting that I make a druid worgen healer. And so basically, I was just gonna get level 15. I say basically a lot. I honestly say basically a lot. Oh well. Anyways, I was gonna use this person, or I was just gonna get her to level 15. I was just gonna get level 15 and then do a dungeon today. But then I was just like, I will just record me doing like the levels. It might only be like 15 minutes, not that long. Depending how my voice can keep up, it's pretty good right now. It doesn't hurt that bad. It doesn't hurt much to talk, so I think we should be good for this video. This is really annoying. They fixed it with the druids where you don't get cat form to level 8. Which I think it was 6 last time, to be honest. I don't remember. I remember doing this on a long time ago on another druid. I remember doing this at level 6 and being in cat form. And that was before it came out with level 1 you became a cat. Trying to talk louder, sorry. Okay. There, I'll talk louder now. I might have to turn myself up later, but oh well. I'll try. You know. Um, anyways, but yeah, basically, you had to be level 6, I thought, last time to be cat form. But I guess it's level 8. It's level 8 now, so which really sucks because, of course, as you see, you can basically only spam Moonfire, and then you have regrowth. That's about it. I swear you got another spell too. I mean, I don't know. I don't play druids much, to be honest, even though I do like the druids.
I'm out of range.
I hate this area. Oh my god, I just want to get out of here. I don't particularly like Gelneas, or this area, whatever this area is. What is this area? Yeah, it's Gelneas. I don't particularly like this area. I don't care. I don't care. I honestly don't care. Yeah, sharing it. There we go. I don't particularly like this area. It just annoys me. I mean, because, like, it's always, like, raining, and you're just like, why is it so depressed here? But oh well. But it shouldn't take that long. And as you can tell, this takes forever to kill someone. Because I don't get any other abilities. But, Moonfire. I'm I thought Moonfire was an AoE. Moonfire is not an AoE. Never mind. No, 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 not more people. I don't like people. Go away.
For my people.
Don't just take this by spread. I don't care. Ah, I'm pressing cap locks, not A or S. That's magical.
Get gabbing or get going.
This character is not gonna be a new main, by the way, guys. This character is just gonna be like, I'll make an episode probably once every 2 weeks or something. And I'm not gonna level up her fast. I'm not gonna try anything. As you can tell, I didn't really care about her because her name is Kitkat. Kitkat. Yeah, okay. So you can tell I don't really care about her because I gave her a stupid name, but it's kind of cute. And there's Kit Kats I want to eat right now.
Speak.
What's your story?
So that's, she's not important basically. Not really. She's not really important. I can't jump over this fence. Can't. Oh, nope. I can't jump over this stupid fence. And I can't even walk. I have a question. What kind of mother leaves her kids behind? Like, I'm just gonna run to the basement. Just there. I'm just gonna run to the basement, not even checking if my kids are following me. I'm just gonna keep running. I don't even care. That's what this mother sounds like. Moonfire is a dot. I just realized that. It's not an AoE, it's a dot. Oh my gosh, I can't walk upstairs. That's why it doesn't do a lot of damage, because it's a dot. Should realize that, but I'm stupid. I just rescued it, actually. It's not gonna update because... I kind of miss the horde. I was gonna make a blood elf today, but then I was just like, and then I made a Draenei because I was making a monk, and I can't even walk downstairs. I was making a monk, and I was gonna make a blood elf because the person I was playing
I
with
got
was
a
just
bad
like,
feeling. Long live Greymane.
he was just like, I don't care, or whatever, do whatever you want, or make whatever you want. I don't care if it's horde either. These are just mess around tunes. And I was gonna make a blood elf, and then I was just like, I want to play a Draenei, and I am a Draenei. I can't escape the alliance, sadly. Why do I have to kill so many people? I don't like this. Sorry, my voice is kind of going weak, that's why I'm not talking much. Oh well. I can do this! And I'll probably make a Ruby video later, so... That should satisfy you 2 videos a day. Or for the day, not a day, for the day. That should satisfy you. I'm doing thumbs up and I'm moving my hands like I'm talking to people. But I'm not actually talking to people. I'm kind of talking to myself right now, but you guys are going to be listening to me. That's not the same as talking to you, though. I think I should shut up, though. Well, that's what I think I should do right now. I'm probably going to shut up in a moment. Because my voice hurts. My throat, tell me voice. That's impossible for your voice to hurt. Your voice can sound hurt, but you know what? It can't actually be hurt. It's your throat, your vocal cords. I can't even with this landscape. Nope, can't even. Can't even. Can't even. There we go.
We need to target something first.
Oh, this is gonna take a while. I kind of want to just get level 8 at least in this video, because that would be at least a 5 minute. This should be like 15-minute video. Might make 20 at the most, but I'm probably just gonna be 15. I wonder if anyone else is on in the guild. Probably not. No, no one else is on. No one else is on our little 57-man guild. I love our guild. Oh, someone got 110 today.
I don't have a target.
Why does it have we looted? Oh, like had little stuff. Okay, never mind. I'm like, why does it have that we looted these things? That doesn't make sense. But you know, whatever. Whatever. Yep, my voice is failing. I'll probably just go and play Animal Crossing and watch Big Bang Theory after this. I'll make a Ruby video later, but I promise that. Because that's good, because I basically just had to talk to the beginning with stupid crap, saying stupid stuff, and then random stuff, whatever. And then I can, no, leave me alone. That basically I can just go on mute and be like, listen to the story. And I can go on mute, yep. I'm just gonna sit here until my dot runs out. I feel like this should be AoE, but it's not an AoE.
We need to target something first.
Kill this last person, then I'm gonna go slay Captain Marls? Mara? I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. I've been watching too much Walking Dead, so I'm just gonna be calling people random stuff from Walking Dead. You're gonna hear me call out someone Carl. I'm just gonna start calling. No, I'm gonna start calling, just randomly calling out Tyrande. Randomly out of nowhere, I'm just gonna start yelling Tyrande. So many people hate me. That would be a lot. But, you know, yeah. And you can know my voice is going away because it sounds deeper. This is so much fun. You must return to what? No, I gotta come up here though. I don't gotta return anywhere. No. What? No, why? You're stupid. Oh my god. I hate life. Nope, don't even care. I'm just gonna go get a cannon. Forget you. Forget you and you and you. Just gonna, yeah, bye. wonder, you know what? You know what? Because it's America, I'm gonna go have a popsicle after this. Why am I? I'm like literally 5 points away from getting level 8. Faster! Kill faster! No, kitty farm. You know what? Forget you. No one needs you.
I need to get closer.
Oh, that sounds, wow. Me dying sounds so brutal. That, wow, okay. Females dying, especially wolf ones, they're brutal, okay. I didn't realize how brutal they sound. I don't care, I played this game before. Yes. Wait, what? What does that make sense? What? I don't even have any cat abilities to level 8 or to level 10? What the crap, Blizzard? You messed up.
I need a
Blizzard messed up
target.
big time. What is that? You can't even do abilities to level 10. Okay, I officially hate the druid. The druid can die. What have I done with my life? I should have leveled this one faster before they redid the whole new thing. Look at this though. I can't even get shred, which is basically when you used to at level 6, you used to be able to turn into a cat and you immediately got shred. And I think the next level you got ferocious fight. I don't think they were like together. But now I gotta wait till level 10 to get it. Blizzard really messed up there. Really did that. Would confuse a lot of new people that are starting to play. Oh my gosh. I can't even right now. I don't think I can play Druid anymore. I can't even. I'm so mad. But that dance. Never mind, that dance made me happy. Oh my god. What am I watching? I think that's gonna be the end of the video though, guys. Yeah. I'm gonna end it here. And well, I hope you had fun watching. I will probably make a new video of this soon actually. I might not talk as much, and my Ruby video will be up later. I might do a Whisper Adventure, but that's probably pushing my voice past the limit. I don't know yet. I will see during the day how I feel. But anyways, see you later guys. Bye.